Hi, I'm Lee Teschler with EE World and Design World. I'm here with Mark Javia from Illinois Capacitor. We're talking a little bit about supercaps. Mark, I think a lot of people don't quite understand that when you put a bunch of supercaps in a module, sometimes you put a controller in there. Can you talk about a little bit about how you might go about that and why?
Well, we put a lot of different functions in there to meeting the customer's requirements. The controllers could be used for a number of different purposes. Over voltage, over temperature are probably the most common, and also balancing of the capacitors. And you can do that either with a controller, or you can do it passively with resistors. So there's a bunch of options available.
I see. You've got an example here in front of us. Can you tell us a little bit about what we're looking at?
This guy here is a controller that's used in the medical application. It's probably one of the more sophisticated ones. It has over voltage, over temperature control. It also has the ability to have a external microprocessor control a relay that disconnects the capacitor for like maintenance purposes, or if a fault should develop. And there's also thermistors in there for protection, fuses. It's a fairly sophisticated little module.
Why are they using a supercap in that application instead of a battery?
The supercaps have the advantage that they can be charged and discharged many more times than a battery. A battery typically can last maybe 1,000 cycles. Supercaps are capable of 500,000. So it's much higher repetition rate without degrading.
Interesting. But how much capacity do you have in a thing about that size?
That depends on the customer. It could be very small, just a farad or two, to hundreds of farads or even thousands. It's customer determined. You know, the application dictates the capacity, but we can make as many as we want, to any value that the customer wants.
Great, great. Well, Mark, that's interesting technology, and I didn't know you could put that kind of stuff in a module.
Oh, well.
Appreciate that.
Thank you.